Hello. Please allow me to present your daily internet smiles.
It looks as though someone trained these birds to play basketball.
It seems as though each team was trained separately. I hope that they did not also train the birds to murder humans. I really like humans. This young bull thinks that he is in charge. I guess we all know someone like that. This person made a bicycle pulley to get to his treehouse. Some jerk let his dog out, and now it's wandering the streets. I hope that it's not frightened.
Oh my god! I love you!
Jesus Christ.
I love you so much! Oh my god.
This dog seems happier. I know, right? I hate chopsticks too. Why is there a cat in the background? This video explains how an AK-47 works. It's interesting to contemplate how Kalashnikov came up with such an elegant weapons platform. Thank you for watching. I hope that you have found this quotidian internet curation to be acceptable. This rabbit did, and he seems okay. Please like and subscribe if you wish to see more.